Hey everybody, welcome back for another video on our rules and expectations around the school building. Today, we are going to be talking about bathroom rules. So as you can see, I'm standing here by our kindergarten bathroom. We have our boys' bathroom and our girls' bathroom. If you are coming to the bathroom, make sure you just look at the sign that's posted and go into the appropriate bathroom. When you're coming to the bathroom, it's very important that you are continuing to be responsible and respectful and safe. So if Mr. Waite was in the bathroom and he started making a lot of noise, whoa! Do you hear how loud that is? Mr. Waite,
What?
when we're in the bathroom, we're supposed to be quiet. You can maybe say hi to your friend who's in there, but should we be screaming or making a bunch of loud noises or banging on the walls?
No, that really disrupts the classroom next door. It's super echoey in here.
Exactly. Good call, Mr. Waite.
Good reminder.
You're gonna come in, you're gonna do your business, whatever you need to do. Should we also be climbing underneath the stalls, over the stalls, looking over the stalls, anything like that?
No, this is a private place. We should be respectful of everybody's privacy whenever we're in the bathroom.
Exactly, respectful and safe. All right, so once you're done, you're gonna come up and wash your hands, because if you don't wash your hands, it's kind of gross. So Mr. Waite is gonna show us how to wash your hands. Mr. Waite, if you're getting soap, should you just take like 30 pumps of soap?
Probably. My hands
I
are
don't
really
know.
dirty.
We'd probably run out of soap pretty quickly, and you'd have way too much soap on your hands.
That's not responsible.
So, Mr. Waite, how many pumps of soap are we gonna do?
2 should be just fine.
2 pumps of soap.
Uno, dos.
Awesome. All right, and then are you just gonna rinse the soap right off your hands?
Well, I gotta scrub for a little bit to get all the germs off of there, and a good way to do that is to sing "Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you."
That might be a little loud, but you can always sing it in your head, or hum it, or sing it quietly to yourself. And that's a great way to make sure you're scrubbing your hands for enough time. All right, Mr. Waite. Whoa, hold on a second. That is pretty wasteful.
Oh.
And you could break our paper towel machine. So let's try that again. If you're coming to get some paper towels, how many pumps should you do?
Just like the soap. 1, 2.
Awesome. And are you doing that with your hip or kicking it with your foot?
No, we're not here to make any style points or any parkour moves, because that's what this is for.
Whoa, Mr. Waite.
No.
Is that respectful?
No, probably not.
Is that safe?
Well, I am a trained professional.
Yeah, but it looks like you're about to fall there.
Yeah, not safe. You're right.
So if you can't reach the sink, instead of doing parkour moves up to the top of the stool, you're gonna walk up just like Mr. Waite's doing right now. Very respectfully, responsibly, and safe. Wash your hands just like you did the first time. Grab your paper towels, and you're good to go. You know what, Mr. Waite? You had a little bit of trouble there for a little bit, but I think you got it together. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a Mustang Moola.
Oh my gosh! Thank you so much. What is a Mustang Moola?
Well, whoa, there you go. Follow me and we'll find out together.
Nice shirt, bro.
You too. Thanks. Hey everyone, so Mr. Waite and I walked all the way down the hall to our Mustang Moola prizes.
Right here in the main lobby.
So, do you remember that Mustang Moola that I gave you yet?
Yes, I've been waving it around this whole time.
There we go. So, do you want to explain to us what you're going to do with that Mustang Moola?
Yeah, I noticed that there's a prize bin here
Uh-huh.
with a bucket that has a slot in it. I'm assuming this would go in here.
That is absolutely correct. And sometimes there will be more than one on the table. So you just got to make sure you look at this little picture that's posted right on the bin, and that'll tell you what prize it's going to be for.
And we can win like rubber chickens, right?
Usually it's cooler stuff than that. You can see this one that's left over from last year. That's a Kindle.
Kindle Fire 7?
Yep.
Are you
Pretty
kidding me?
Cool. We've had some pretty epic prizes in there. So, whenever you get a Mustang Moola, feel free to bring it down the hallway and you can choose what prize. We'll draw those prizes every Friday, so you'll have some great options for things that you can win. And then we'll announce it on a video just like this, and you can come on down from your classroom.
Dude,
And
this place rocks.
I know. And another thing, so we've got our Mustang Moola and we got our Mustang Memos. So if you earn a Mustang Memo, follow me right over here.
Oh.
We have our Mustang Memo box. Same thing, if you get a Mustang Memo, all you have to do is walk it down here, drop it into the Mustang Memo, and every Friday we'll have drawing for those two.
That is so great. So 2 opportunities to win every Friday just for doing the right thing.
Yep, amazing prizes.
I love it.
And you know what? Speaking of Fridays,
I love Friday.
that reminds me of something.
Oh, you're right. It's hat day!
So every Friday, when you show up to school, just bring. You can look as cool as we do.
Nice. And you can wear Crooked River hats for free, right?
Yes, if you have a Crooked River hat or a Mustang Miler hat or anything like that, you can just bring that and wear it every Friday.
Dude. Mustang Pride. Here
Mustang
we go.
Pride.
Yes.
All right. Well, thanks for tuning in once again, everybody. We'll see you all tomorrow with some more announcements for you.